today I'm coming back to you guys with a haul video. Some items I got from Amazon. I got a few items from Walmart. Just little outfit, y'all. I don't know, it ain't really giving me what I need, so try to keep it cute without exposing my exposing anything. Okay, so this haul is basically like just a bunch of stuff that I got here recently, and I just kind of wanted to show it to you guys. And one item is these cute pants I got from Gabe's. They were $3, and I just thought that they were cute. They're just some plain gray pants. They have like the fake pockets on the back. Just really cute. They have like pockets here, and they are really cute. So really cute, and they're long too, so these are so cute. All right, the next item, okay, yeah, this outfit going. All right, the next item that I'm going to be showing is I actually already got it set up in my car, but showing you guys this is the cup holder phone mount. It's by Bulb Head, and you put it in your where you would put your drinks, and you know, just talk without holding your phone, basically. Like, I just thought my dad had it, and I was like, oh, I like that, and it's like really nice, you know. So I ended up getting me one, because you know what I'm saying. But it's just so nice. Like, I really like this thing. This was a really good idea. So yeah, go get one by Bulb Head. Cup call. All right, the next item that I got was this car camera mount by New Vending on Amazon. It's by Amazon. It's a glass suction cup, and it's already set up in my car for my camera, and you just attach your camera to this little area here, and this part goes to the window, and you clamp it on with these little, and it's pretty sturdy. Like, my camera has not fallen yet, so yeah, I would definitely recommend this here. Let me make sure the name is, I would definitely recommend this. The next item that I got from Walmart were these cute dupe of the Teva, T-E-V-A sandals. I got them in whites, and they are by Time and True, Walmart. I just thought that they were so pretty. Like that's, I mean, just so pretty. Then I got this pair. I had to go and get the other pair. These are definitely a dupe. They're not the real thing. The real thing is like $50, and these were $10. So I prefer to pay $10 over $50 for something like this anyway. Yeah, so the colors are nice, just really cute. All right, the next item that I got is this case that I got from Amazon. I ordered 3 of them so far because I love them, and I just think that they're really cute. It's actually on my phone, so let me show you. I have, this is real leather. This is a beautiful case, and this gold like detailing on the sides, I just love that. And this is the box it came in, and it came wrapped. It came wrapped really nice and pretty, and it came with a card, and it has all the information on it in the card, and it has the bag, the dust bag, which I thought was really good, right, for Amazon. And like I said, I bought 2. This one I just added my poppy socket thingy to it. So yeah, I just added that to it because I didn't want to have all of them with a poppy socket, so I just added it to one. And this is like real leather, and it was like 14 something on Amazon. So yeah, and it's for I don't know if they have it for all phones, so I don't know, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me. Next item I got from Amazon are these brushes. I've been really into like making sure I have a lot of makeup brushes because I don't get a chance to wash them as often as I probably should. So I don't like using dirty brushes. So I just bought a pack of new brushes. I have not taken them out yet. Don't plan on taking them out until I'm ready to use them. And it comes like in a pack of set of, it's 29 brushes. So this is a good deal here for all these brushes, and I only paid $5 for these brushes on Amazon. So yeah, that was definitely a deal. All right, the next item, these are like random items, so it's like nothing is like in any order. So I got these nails. Right now I got my nails professionally done. I needed to get them done, but I got them professionally done along with my toes. I will show you my toes, but they need some lotion. So, but my toes are done just like my nails. But I also, when these wear off and I can't get to the nail shop right away, I love having extra nails sitting around. There's the stiletto and the coffin shape, and it's just a pack of 100 nails, and I'll just glue these on temporarily until I'm able to get to that shop. All right, the next item that I got is these cute little earrings I got from Walmart. I've been wanting something like this, and I've been trying to find it for a reasonable price, and I don't need the real ones because I ain't got time. I don't need all that. I'm fine with the little costume jewelry. So I ended up scoring these little cuties here. They had them in silver too, but I'm not really, like I said, a big silver person. So these are so cute just to have on in your little possession. Very good quality, it seems. The next item that I got are these cute, I had to get these. Like, I don't even know. I don't have no reason or anything, but I had to get these little cute $100 bill earrings. I just thought that they would be so cute, like, you know, just on a random day, you know what I'm saying, when you just, you know what I'm saying, just throw these on. These are so cute. And I got these from my beauty supply store. So, yeah. Alright, the next item that I ended up getting is, let me take it out the bag. I didn't even take it out the bag yet. I got this belt, and I seen like the off-white belts, and so I mean, I don't need all of that, but I did find one similar, and it says king size, and I just thought that this was so cute. This is so cute. Let me try to pull my shirt up. But this is so cute, and it's just, and this comes from Shein, and it's just super cute. I can't wait to get wear out of this summer. And the thing is, I have other items that's coming from Shein, and I actually contacted them because some of them came and some of them didn't. They said they ship from different warehouses, so the other items will be here on Tuesday. So I may or may not show that stuff when it gets here. I don't know yet. The next item that I got from Shein is this skin tight shirt. It's like see-through, so cute. It says Shein, and it's just so cute. Like, it's just so cute to throw on. Like, this is so cute. That's gonna be cute. All right. The next item that I got is this perfume. I don't know if I showed you guys this, but I want to show you guys. It's Modern Mousse. It's by Estee Lauder, and it's like it's not like a new perfume. It's like been out for a while, but I just love the scent. I had ran out and I had to purchase more, but this scent here is amazing to me. I love it. It's just like, it's everything. It gives everything it needs to give. Yes, it just gives everything it just needs to give to me. I love that. Alright, now the next perfume that I ended up getting was the Eternal Moment. This is not a new perfume either. This has been out for a while. It's the Eternity Moment Calvin Klein, and it is so awesome. This stuff, I have been using it, as you can see. It just smells so good. Like, I love this scent. I don't know why, but this scent to me is just everything. And I got this, and I paid $29 for this, and the other one I paid 30 something for it, I think. Let me make sure that's all I got. Let me see. I got one. No, I got two more items. Okay. So the next item that I got was these cute glasses. I did not take the tag off them yet, you know, so they need to be cleaned. But I got these cute glasses. I thought that they were so cute. Like, if I just, like, they're so cute, right? They need to be cleaned, so don't mind all the fingerprints, because yeah, they need to be clean. But I just got these, and I just thought that they were so cute and like practical. Look at my boob hanging out. So cute and practical for like everyday, you know, wear. So I just thought that these were super cute. And the last item I got is this clear calendar thingy, and it has the gold on the each side, and it has Saturday, Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Saturday, Sunday. Look, Sunday, Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. At the top, written in black, and then you can just like write on it, and it has like a what is it? It has a plastic over it right now that I'm trying to get off. That's why it looks like it has a bunch of holes in it, because it's plastic that I need to peel off. So yeah, but I got this, and I just thought it was so cute. I'm gonna nail it onto my wall in my dining room so I can keep up with events and stuff. So I just thought that this was so pretty and practical, and I bought pins to go with it. And I got to get this clear thing off of it, because it just looks crazy. But yeah, so yeah, let me make sure that's everything. All right, you guys, that is everything that I got when I was out. Yeah, that was pretty much everything. Oh no, I also got another thing of nails, like the ones I got on, but these are actually done. So I got some of these, so also. But yes, like I said, thank you guys for watching this video today. I appreciate it, you guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And also remember, if they serve you no purpose, let them go. Let him go, let her go, let them go, period. You know what I'm saying? Like, just let them go, sis. Let them go, bro. Like, stop holding on to him. What are you holding on to him for? It's pointless. You're not getting anywhere. Say no. But let me get off of here, because I have a lot to do, and I will talk to you guys later. God bless you, and don't stress.